Hi children! Good morning! How are you today? Are you feeling happy or are you feeling sad today? Do you know why we don't have a class today? It's because our temperature is too hot. That's why you need to stay at your home, stay hydrated, and drink a lot of water. Now, let's count the days of the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. How many days do we have? Correct. It's 7. Now let's see the days of the week. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What do you think is the day today? Today is Monday. Now let's sing the Monday song. Monday, today is Monday. Monday is a happy day. How about the weather song? Let's sing the weather song. Can you look outside and see what's the weather today? Let's sing first. How's the weather? How's the weather? How's the weather like today? Is it sunny or is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Can you all look outside and see what's the weather today? Correct! Today is cloudy day. Let's sing the cloudy day song. Cloudy, cloudy, cloudy day. Today is a cloudy, cloudy day. Today is cloudy day. Our weather today is cloudy day. Now, I'm going to ask you if you have. Thank you for singing with me. Good job. Did you eat your breakfast? Very good. Did you drink your milk or your water? Very good. How about your nails? Check your nails if it's clean. Is your nails clean? Is your nails too long or is it short? What will we do if our nails is too long? We need to trim it. How about your teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Very good. Always brush your teeth so that you won't have cavities. Very good. How about your body? Did you take a bath? Smell your clothes. Smell your clothes. Does it smell good or bad? Very good. It smells good. Now, let's listen to Teacher Joanne.